What's up guys, welcome back with Mr. Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Air Max 90 Lime Ice colorway. So let's find out where is the difference. On the first sample is very clear, the Air Max slightly go down. The Air Max here on the marking area is slightly go down. It touched the midsole, where it's on the authentic one. You can see here there is a little bit gap between the Air Max logo and the midsole. The next one here, as you guys can see, there's a stitches here between the Nike shoes and the gray layer here, where it's on the authentic one there is no stitches here. It's very clear. Also here on the left side of the Nike shoes there is a stitches also. There on the authentic one there is no stitches here. It's very clean. Moving to the forefoot here, as you guys can see, the stitches on the fake one is very narrow. It's too close. Where it's on the authentic one, it has a proper gap here. You can see here on my pointer here also. There is always a gap between both stitches. Another sample, as you guys can see, there is no gap between the gray layer here and the Nike shoes compared to the authentic one. As you guys can see, there is a little bit gap here between Nike shoes and the gray layer. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, still same just like previous sample. The Air Max here, there is no gap between the Air Max and the midsole. There is on the authentic one here, there is a little bit gap. Also on the forefoot part, the stitches gap here is very narrow. On the authentic one here, you can see there is a lot of gap here on the authentic one. Another sample, as you guys can see, there is no gap. Just like previous sample, there is no gap between the Nike shoes and the gray layer here. Compared to the authentic, you can see there's a gap. Looking from above here, as you guys can see on the tongue, the color of the Nike shoes here is different. On the fake one is yellow, on the authentic one is gray. And also on the insole here, the insole placement is slightly go down on the fake one compared to the authentic one. The authentic is a little bit bigger, and the TERRASCAPE print here is slightly bigger and also is slightly come up. Then on the fake one here, it's looking so terrible. On the toolbox here, as you guys can see, the pattern of the material isn't straight vertical. It's a little bit slightly is a little bit sloopy on the fake one compared to the authentic. Moving to the back of the shoes, it's quite similar by the way, but here also isn't centered. The stitches here isn't centered on the fake one. On the upper stitches here and the bottom isn't centered. Next one here, the stitches here isn't straight vertical. It's a little bit sloopy on the fake one compared to the authentic. The authentic is straight vertical and also it's centered. And also a lot of dots, a lot of crack here, crack pattern, like the design just like this on the authentic one compared to the fake one. Another sample also, as you guys can see here, there is a stitches visible on the midsole here on the fake one. Compared to the authentic, there is no stitches visible. On my pointer here, the stitches size is too wide. It's wider on the fake one compared to the authentic. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it. I hope you understand. If you're still confused, feel free to DM me on my Instagram if you have any question and requests. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can make another video for you guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video.